Amanda Irvin here with pitcher Brian Rapp. Brian, you pitched 2 innings and gave up just one hit, no earned runs. How did it feel to get your first career win with the Eagles?
It was a pretty cool feeling. Defense played really well behind me. In that situation, I just wanted to go out there and execute pitches and just do my job, put up some zeros, and obviously later on the bats came alive. So very exciting.
All right, you came in when the game was 1-0 UMass, and then you got to come in afterward after the team had the offensive explosion. How does your mindset change?
It really doesn't. I just got to go back out there. If anything, I just got to go back out there and throw strikes and get ahead and put up another zero because that's huge for us. So just try to do the best I could do, and it all worked out. So it's cool.
Thanks, Brian. Congrats on the win.
Thank you.
Eric, you pitched 5 innings today and had a career-high 6 strikeouts. What was working for you on the mound?
Everything felt pretty good today. I was just trying to stay ahead of guys, and I think that's kind of what led to the strikeouts today and doing well, getting back in the dugout pretty quickly. It was just throwing strikes, really. Nothing special.
The team has won 6 of their last 7 games. How do you guys look to bring momentum to Wake Forest?
That late explosion there with the bats was really big for us to show that we're still confident with that bat. Yesterday we had the loss, but still scored 7 runs. It was a good game offensively. So we're just going to try and keep carrying that over into Wake Forest, and hopefully the pitching can just keep the runs down and we keep scoring and take over from there.
Thanks, Eric. Congrats on the win.
Thank you.
I'm here with outfielder Scott Brarin. You had your first career home run today, a 2-run shot in the 6th. How'd it feel?
It felt amazing. The beginning of the year, I had knee surgery, and so this was my first start. And I was trying to go in the box and do what I normally do, and I got a piece of one. It felt great.
So UMass went through 6 pitchers through the first 6 innings. How were you guys able to keep readjusting and finally break through in the 6th?
The bats went kind of cold at the beginning, but we got together as a team, realized we had to lock in, and then once one run comes, everything else just kind of follows, so it was pretty easy for us today.
Thanks. Congrats.
Thank you very much.
Here with Jake Palomaki. Jake, you had your first career home run today with a 2-run shot in the 6th. Walk us through that at bat.
I was just trying to find my pitch and drive it. I was looking middle away, got a pitch out there and just put a good swing on it. Didn't think it was going out, but happened to go out. So.
You also had a great past weekend at Duke. You went 5 for 12. What's been going right for you at the plate?
I'm just trying to get my timing down every day, trying to just get in a rhythm up there, see the ball, not try to do too much with it. But, yeah, just trying to do what I do and get on base.
Thanks. Congrats.
Thank you very much.